Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to scan documents without using third-party applications from the Google Play Store, such as CamScanner. Let's dig in. Open the Google Drive app. You'll see a plus icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. A small menu appears. From that menu, tap Scan. Your phone's camera will open. Now, place your camera over the document you want to scan, as shown in the video. It may automatically scan the document, or you can do it manually. After scanning, you can crop the document to adjust the frame. You can erase any unwanted marks or text using the Clean tool, also shown in the video. Once you're done, tap Done and choose where you want to save the file. Make sure to save it as a PDF. Tap Save, and that's it. Your photo is now scanned and saved as a PDF file. You can go back to Google Drive and tap on the PDF to view it. If needed, you can share the document or download it to your device using the available options. You can now use this document anytime directly from your device. That's all. By using this trick, you can easily convert any photo into a document and save it as a PDF. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon for future notifications.